Good morning. Just made it to the surgery center. This week's been really busy with 6 forehead cases. We have 3 more today. They've been a combination. All of them have a little bit of hairline lowering, some with brow lift, some with brow bone reduction. Today I have a case that she had hairline lowering with hair grafts, and it doesn't look good. The hair grafts are thicker than her natural hair, and the density is just not right. So we're removing all of those hair grafts and doing hairline lowering to make a more natural hairline. I'll show you some pictures of that coming up.